So I don't know if you can see over my shoulder, they are checking the trees just to make sure there's no nests in there before they take some of them down. The one over this way, there's a tree over here that they might send climbers up, so there must be a nest in there or something, or obviously something for them to serve. So that's a good sign. So behind me, you see these few trees here behind me. We've actually seen a baby blue tit and the mother feeding, trying to feed it. And these trees are due to be cut down today. So I guess if these trees go today, that baby blue tit won't be fed tomorrow. So they're cutting the trees down there. They've got that tree grabber, and the guy is cutting off the bottom. When there's a lull in the traffic, what they've done, they've stopped the traffic both ends while they're cutting the trees. So there you have it. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the chipper chipping the trees that they've cut down at the moment. HS2 over the other side of the road, and just over this side here, this guy here is taking photos of being harassed by HS2 security. I don't know what's going on there, but I'll just let you listen to this.